Welcome to the nebula of internet at TV. I'm Joey, thanks for joining me. Today's video is going to be Crazy Firework Fails of 2003. So I think it's going to be a compilation of a lot of fails. So get comfy and let's watch.
Firework
God, I never understand why people do fireworks in the street.
gone wrong.
Oh my god, what are the places for it to land? Like, straight through someone's window. But I hope there's no one in now. They would have having like a shock.
Whoa!
Sort of fireworks that? Is that like a Catherine wheel that's meant to be like nailed to a fence?
Oh, is that it?
No, it's supposed to do more.
Really?
It's supposed to. Oh,
I've never seen a firework like that before. Oh god, someone's had like a store of fireworks, haven't they? And they've just like set fire to it by mistake. Oh my god, the actual house is on fire as well.
Each time I watch it, I laugh harder.
Yeah, they're the ones that are meant to be nailed to the wall, aren't they?
My brother came over to watch the fireworks in DTLA.
oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my God.
Dude, that went in the building. Oh my god!
Thankfully, the unit was empty.
Oh, probably nice window to watch fireworks from though.
Rip to this car.
What was that?
Look out!
It's like the multi-shot ones, aren't they? Like the long thin ones. Yeah, like 10 fireworks that go off in it.
What is that?
Look out!
Yeah, once they fall over, it like fires, spins round, and it's like Russian roulette in it where the next one's gonna go.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. What, these people just mashing around with fireworks?
Thanksgiving fireworks gone wrong.
I just spent
Oh my god, why is everyone standing so close to them?
$500 on one firework. My girlfriend is gonna kill me. But look at this thing. Everything you need to design your own show and fire it from your phone? What?
Corey, what is this? Oh no.
Fireworks. 1, 2. Uh-oh.
What happened? What happened?
I don't know. I am swiping.
No.
Is this a real thing? You get an app for fireworks? I've literally never heard of it, never seen anything like this. I can't even think how it would work.
You gotta calm down, take a breath, do it slowly.
Almost got hit with an illegal firework.
Alright, we out.
Oh.
No flash now, no flash.
Oh my god, what's happened? How's it ended up like that?
Bro.
Why's the dust everywhere?
Bro.
What the heck? Oh!
Oh my god.
What? That's crazy. You can feel the heat, dude. Wow.
Yeah, I think that was mainly just people bashing around with fireworks. Let's have a look at some of the comments. I can read them from here. when you haven't paid rent, so the landlord's artillery strike your unit. The Panzer fail. Yeah, that was weird, that little spinning firework, and then the Panzer like thought of it. Not even sure what sort of firework that is. Imagine that you're vibing in your room, then a firework out of nowhere flew all the way to your room, exterminating your existence and your room. Yeah, it's like literally like from like anywhere that I could have hit, it like went into an actual room, didn't like a building. It's like crazy. Yeah, you have to be careful where you're lighting fireworks and where they might go. So that was the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you thought in the comments. And as always, thanks for the company. If you've enjoyed today's video, become a subscriber, suggest a video to watch in the comments, and I'll see you there.